Hey guys, it's me, Happy Tom. Happy Tom. Happy Tom. Guess what I found today? Guess what? I bet you can't guess. Okay, I'll show you. A mini microwave! Isn't it so cool? I really like it. It matches my face. Okay, let's see what it does. There's a lot of numbers on it. I guess that's the numbers to order your popcorn. But I don't have any popcorn. What will I heat up in the mini microwave? I don't know. I'll just push all these buttons. And as you can see, there's a number 6 right there. I think I'm gonna do this weird intersection thingy. Then 9. How about that? And then let's press this 2 parallel lines. And we got the answer of 15! Yeah! Woo! So that means the microwave, we'll set it for 15 seconds. For the mini microwave. See, let's press. Now we wait. Wait. Count. I'm gonna count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! It's done! Yeah! Oh wait, now I gotta wait an extra 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's done! Now is it gonna give me something? Oh. It's not working. I hate this mini microwave. Get away! Yeah, I hate mini microwaves. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you, and goodbye. Mini calculators rock! Mini microwaves rock!